Hi everyone, this is Dr. Jyoti Bala. I welcome you all on my YouTube channel. In this session, let's explore the importance of programming and coding, especially in the biotech, biomedical, and health informatics. Let's first understand what is the prime difference between programming and coding. Programming is the process of designing and building executable computer programs to accomplish specific tasks or to solve a particular problem. It involves writing algorithm, designing the data structure, and implementing logic using programming language. Whereas coding is the act of translating logical instruction into specific programming language syntax, typically involving writing lines of code to create software application or scripts. Now let's understand the importance of learning programming and coding, especially if you belong or want to enter biotech, biomedical, and very particularly health informatics sector. The number one thing is data analysis. Processing large volumes of biological big data such as genomic sequence, omic data, or clinical record requires automated tools and algorithms which are developed through programming. The next one is modeling and simulation. Building computational model to simulate biological processes or predict the outcome of treatment relies on programming to implement the mathematical algorithm. In the sector of automation, many laboratory these days processes are automated through software system, facilitating the experiments, data collection, and also the analysis. In areas of personalized medicine, developing a software tools for analyzing individual patient data aids in tailoring the treatment based on genetic and clinical factors. And in the area of data security, programming is essential for developing secure system to handle sensitive patient information and maintain the regulatory compliance. Here are the top programming language for biotech, biomedical, and health informatics. The number one is Python, which is widely used for its simplicity and extensive libraries for data analysis, example pandas and NumPy. It is also very useful in machine learning and bioinformatics analysis by using BioPython. The next widely used one is R, which is specifically designed for statistical analysis and visualization, which is quite popular in this sector for analyzing the biological data and conducting the epidemiological studies. The next one is Java, which is known for its portability and scalability, often used in developing the large-scale applications such as health management system and bioinformatics platform. And next one is SQL, which is essential for managing the relational databases which store vast amount of patient record, clinical data, and genomic information. So if you are a beginner student, researcher, or scientist who want to enter this industry by learning the programming and coding, here is a simple roadmap and steps which you can follow. Start with the understanding of fundamentals. Learn the basic concept of programming, including variable, data type, control structure, and functions. The next one is choose a language. Start with Python, R due to their popularity and rich ecosystem for bioinformatics. We also provide training in Python and R, and these curriculum are specially designed for biologist need. The next one is make yourself comfortable with relevant libraries for data manipulation, visualization, and analysis. Try to practice with projects. Work on the bioinformatics, cheminformatics project or challenges to apply programming skills and gain practical experience, and gradually try to explore the advanced topics. Dive deeper into the topics like machine learning, genomics, omics, biomedical informatics, and learn advanced programming technique. It is also important to stay updated. Keep an eye with the emerging technologies and tools in the field through the online courses, forum, and conferences. And if you are interested, you can also join our Programming for Biologists training program to learn the essential of programming skills, which is designed for bioinformatics and biomedical and biotech research needs. If you have liked the session, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for tutorial, tips, and resources tailored for the biologist venturing into the biotech and BioIT. Please like and follow our page for updates and upcoming workshops, webinars, and community events. Thank you.